Listen.
Brother see brother through the iron sight. Same skin, same struggle, still we ready to fight. Mama cry tears in the dead of night. Another youth gone, candle turn to light. From the corner to the trench to the war zone street. Same system load the gun, then he blame the youth for squeeze. We born as kings, but we die as pawns in a game where the rich never feel the storm. Who teach we fit? It's so deep. Who profit we do? Poor man bleed, every bullet dry. I'm not the lie. On the pages of humanity, why brothers killing brothers for? Blood on the same ground, same shore. Jah know the earth can't take no more. Put down the war machine, close the door. Why sisters crying every day? Another soul get carried away. If love is lost, show me the way. Jah Light say humanity feel today. Go louder than reach, silence the prayer. Little you grow fast when death in the air. Graveyard full of dreams, never get to live. All because we forget to feel love and forgive. Politicians smile while the city burn. Another cycle repeat, but we never learn. They sell fear, then sell protection, while we bury hope with no objection. Who harm the hands of the youth them? Not surprised when in the streets condemn. Can't cure violence with more steel. Only truth and love can heal. Why brothers killing brothers for? Blood on the same ground, same shore. Jah know the earth can't take no more. Put down the war machine, close the door while mothers praying to the pain. Calling sons that will never answer again. If we don't change, we are to blame. Jah Light cry out, remember your name.
Look, that man here look just like you. That blood you spill could have been you. Same tears fall, different face. Same chains, just a different place.
Imagine if we turn the trigger to love. Aim every heart to the most